Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss next topic of your third unit, that is right to practice. Section 29 of the Advocates Act recognize that advocates to be the only category of persons who are entitled to practice in law. Except advocates, nobody can practice before the courts of law. Then section 30 talks about that every advocate whose name is entered in the state roll shall be entitled as of right to practice throughout the territories to which this act extends. So, this provision simply says that whosoever's name will be appearing on the state roll means the register that is being maintained by the state bar councils. So, these are the Bar Council of India. So that person will be able to practice throughout the territories to which this act extends means he will be able to practice throughout India. Second point is in all courts including the Supreme Court. If we talk about that, at what places he will be able to practice throughout India. So first point in this is that he will be able to practice in all courts, including the Supreme Court. Secondly, before any tribunal or persons legally authorized to take evidence, and before any other authority or persons before whom such advocate is by or under any law for the time being in force entitled to practice. So basically, he will be able to practice at so many places, that is Supreme Court, tribunals, and every other place, that is in every court where he will be able to practice as per this law before any and every court. Now question is, who is an advocate who has been given so much of rights that he can practice before any court. Section 2A of the Advocates Act 1961 defines advocate as a person whose name is entered in any role under the provision of this act. Then Advocates Act 1961 recognizes two classes of advocates, that is senior advocates and other advocates. The roles of advocates are prepared by the State Bar Council on the basis of seniority, and the roles are divided into two parts. First part contains the name of the senior advocates and the second part contains the name of other advocates. Who is a senior advocate? The rules relating to the senior advocates can be classified into two categories. Senior advocates prior to the appointed date under the statute. An advocate of the Supreme Court who was a senior advocate of that court immediately before the appointed date shall be deemed to be a senior advocate. However, if any such senior advocate makes an application before 31st December 1965 to the Bar Council maintaining the rod in which his name has been entered, that he does not desire to continue as a senior advocate, the Bar Council may grant the application and the rod shall be altered accordingly. Second part of this section is talking about those advocates who were designated as senior advocates after the enactment of that statute. The statute provides that an advocate may, with his consent, be designated as senior advocate if the Supreme Court or a High Court is of the opinion that by virtue of his ability, standing at the bar, or special knowledge or experience in law, he deserves such distinction. So this video was all about who are entitled to practice, and I also talked about here senior advocates and advocates who are entitled to practice before the courts. Senior advocates eligibility I have already discussed in a different video. where I told you that he must be a citizen of India, he must have a law degree, and he should be of 21 years of age. So after that, whenever his name will be appearing on the roll, then he will be and he will also be taking the All India Bar exam. So this was all about the qualification of an advocate. After his name will be entered in the state roll or the on the roll of the Bar Council of India, he will be able to practice throughout India. And about senior advocate, what are their qualifications? Their qualifications are only pertaining to their experience in law. So their knowledge, the special knowledge they do have, is what really makes them what they are. That is the senior advocates. Thank you so much. See you in the next video with a new topic.